Welcome. If you want to get Google Clock on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to download this application on the second smartphone with the Play Store, and after that you have to also get the phone clone application. But if you are using the Huawei smartphone like me, you will get this phone clone application as a default, so we don't have to install it. But if you are using any other brand like LG, Samsung, Xiaomi, you have to go for the Play Store and get this app. So right now we can open it, and of course do the same on the P40 Lite 5G. Accept all of the permissions. On the phone with the Play Store, we have to select this is the old phone, tap settings, turn on location, go back, click here one more time, and on the P40 Lite 5G click this is the new device, accept all of the permissions. Oh, I just skipped one of them, so I have to go for the settings straight and grant the permission for the location. So it was just misclick. And right now we have to select the old phone type, so in my case this one is also Huawei. And right now we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So if you have any problem with your camera and you are not able to scan the code, you can just input this key manually with the keyboard. Right now smartphones are connecting, so we have to wait. Right now unselect all stuff that you have here, scroll down, tap on the apps and the data at the bottom of the list, and right now just find the Google Clock, and here it is. So select, click OK, tap transfer, click OK one more time. Right now we have to input your currently logged method, and as you can see it's finished. So right now we can close this app. Here we have to tap also finished, and right now we can try to open Google Clock on our Huawei P40 Lite 5G without the Google services. So as you can see, the application is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.